Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Etekcity EFS C651 KUS Smart Fitness Scale, featuring advanced body composition tracking, a sleek tempered glass design, and smart app integration. With precise sensors, multi-user support, and easy Bluetooth connectivity, it helps you monitor your fitness progress with ease. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the EFS C651 KUS Smart Fitness Scale. 1.5-volt AAA batteries pre-installed. Quick start guide. Product features. Tracks up to 13 essential body measurements, including body fat percentage, BMI, muscle mass, bone mass, and more, giving you a complete and detailed view of your overall health. It goes beyond basic weight tracking, helping you understand real fitness progress and make smarter lifestyle decisions over time. Automatically identifies multiple users as soon as they step on the scale, making it perfect for families or shared environments. Each user's data is stored separately, ensuring accurate tracking, and it also supports easy data sharing for convenient monitoring across devices. Connect smoothly to the VSync app via Bluetooth, allowing you to access in-depth body stats, trends, and progress charts in one place. It also syncs with popular fitness apps, making it easier to keep all your health and fitness data organized and up to date. Designed with a sturdy tempered glass platform that provides both durability and a sleek, modern look. Its energy-efficient system ensures long-lasting battery performance, so you can rely on consistent daily tracking without worrying about frequent battery changes. Technical specifications. App connection. First, download the VSync app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install and open the app to begin setting up your smart fitness scale, and make sure to allow the necessary permissions like Bluetooth so the device can connect properly. Next, create your VSync account to continue the setup process, which lets you access all smart features. After that, set up your personal profile with basic details like age, height, and weight for accurate tracking. And you can also create multiple user profiles, so every family member can store and track their own fitness data separately on the same scale. Finally, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and tap the plus icon on the VSync app home screen. Select your smart fitness scale from the list of available devices, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process and finish setting up your device. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.